Hello everyone! Our today's lesson is on a vowel sound, an English pronunciation lesson. As we also discussed the lesson contracting the verb may to produce the a vowel sound. It is important to pull your lips back and then push the top back part of the tongue up against the top of your mouth to insert the y sound at the end of the vowel. A, a. It's important to remember the vowel sound is not the shorter E, but it's pronounced A with the Y sound at the end. Listen and repeat. May, lake, sailor, chasing, race. Remember, even if pulling back your lips and inserting the Y sound feels completely unnatural to you, just practice retraining the muscles in your mouth. Do what's unnatural and over time it will become easier.